And I would argue that there's really few better places in America than to have a business in Birmingham. I know that sounds dramatic, but there's such a draw. There's the best clientele, I think, in the country that we have in our restaurants every night.
Here we like to think that when people walk through the door, they're first and foremost friends. So the atmosphere when they come in lends itself to repeat visits and just a real sense of community.
Birmingham is definitely a food destination. I know for me personally, it's where I always wanted to go to dine. And now, of course, I have a restaurant here, which is why I chose Birmingham. What I think about Birmingham that is unique is the diversity of all the different merchants that are here. There's so many different types of places to shop or dine. Another thing I've always loved about Birmingham, it might sound silly, but it's so beautiful in every season. They really put a lot of effort in the way the place looks during the holidays.
Birmingham was the ideal situation for Hyde Park. Hyde Park being what we call and refer to ourselves to as sort of a boutique steakhouse. I consider Birmingham kind of a boutique city. You know, when I walk around Birmingham, you know, everything's within walking distance. There's a huge sense of community. Anything that you want to do, you can do in downtown Birmingham. You can basically come down here, park, and walk to everything.
People have come here to celebrate everything from births to their kids to their retirements, and they've, by and large, all have great memories of the times they spent here. And that's one of the nice things about being part of the community for so long, is that you develop long-term relationships not only with other business owners, but also the people that come in. So it becomes less of a business and more of a family.
We have some of the best retailers, some of the best city walking atmosphere, amazing neighborhood events like the farmers market, the winter market, movie nights, that just draws people kind of in droves to this city. It's pretty amazing to see. It's more of a neighborhoody feel, I would say, you know, as you'd probably imagine, but we pull from so many other areas.
Having a business in Birmingham is like I've graduated or I've arrived. It's kind of like something I always set my sights on. I've always loved Woodward. I love the Woodward corridor, and now here we are right on the corner of Woodward and Maple, one of the greatest corners in all of Southeast Michigan, in my opinion. But yeah, it kind of feels like, for me anyways, it's where I always thought the cool kids were, so now here we are.